I'm at Dollar Tree. They have Disney Frozen 2 Splash Match, the Snowflake collecting game, $5, and a 3D puzzle with 47 pieces, Lost Kitties game, Rumbling Block by Disney. There's a desktop drum set, and Blonkers, Nickelodeon Slime, Connect 4, Sorry, it's motorized fun, Hamster roll. You have Nerf guns, Play-Doh. We have some posters, puzzles. There's another slime kit, different kind. This one has little fish and starfish. And here's a slime kit. The vinci Play-Doh kit. What is this? Doodle board. More puzzles. Really pretty puzzles. Star Wars plush. Little guys. We have Frisbees. And this Malibu Frisbee, $5. We have different colors, orange and blue. Blokus dice game. Some of the toys that are $3 and $5.